We're drawing a flavoured cat today, inspired by the orange pumpkin cat, if you guys remember him. These are the colours I'll be using, just a little clue into what flavour our cat will be today. We're also using the Ohuhu colourless blender pen, which comes with the Honolulu alcohol markers. This is a great pen for blending, special effects, fixing mistakes, so wait for that one also in the final reveal. I absolutely love the Ohuhu Honolulu markers I'm using. They go on so smooth, and as you can see, drying on the Bleedproof Ohuhu marker pads, they actually give a sort of fruit texture, which is great for these cats that I draw. Now for the magic, and wait for that clear Ohuhu marker, which I mentioned earlier in the video. Watch how it blends the tummy.